Hello everyone, today I am making video about how to make chicken pepsicam gravy. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Add 1 cup oil with 1 cup onion, then add half teaspoon salt and cook it until golden brown. Add 1 kilogram chicken and cook it until it changes its color to golden brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger chili paste. Now mix it well. Now add 1 cup tomatoes. Two tablespoons red chili. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it evenly. Water ½ cup. Pepsicam 1 kilogram. Salt according to taste. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Now serve and enjoy with your family and friends, and like, share, subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Bye. Say yeah.